They're more than just gadgets that beep. They are lifesavers, how smoke detectors work. There are two main types: ionization and photoelectric. Ionization alarms detect flaming fires. Inside, there's a small amount of radioactive material that creates a current. When smoke enters, it disrupts the flow, triggering the alarm. Photoelectric alarms, on the other hand, are great for smoldering fires. They shine a light beam inside a chamber. Smoke reflects this light onto a sensor, setting off the alarm. Both types are crucial because you can't predict what kind of fire might start. Having both ionization and photoelectric alarms ensures you're covered for both flaming and smoldering fires any time of the day, whether you're at home or asleep. These tiny devices are designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. Hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis of tech being reverse engineered.